Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about remote controlling your work PC from home. We know a lot of you are maybe working from home, working with your families because so many schools are closed. When you don't have your work PC at home, sometimes it can be a little frustrating. One of the softwares that we use to remote control machines from elsewhere is Go to My PC. We don't have any affiliation with any of these remote control programs, but it is one of the premier remote access applications. It works on both Windows and Mac computers. So GoToMyPC does a really good job of showing you how to install both the host application and the client application. And I will put both those YouTube videos below in the show notes. GoToMyPC offers a free 7-day trial of their software, so you can try it out and see if this works for you. Essentially, we will just click the free trial button here and we will enter some information, your name and your email, and create a password. Now you're going to create an account on this system and then you'll use that account on the host PC to install the application. Once you've logged into the system and you need to install the application on the host machine, you can follow the video that I've put below. But the short of it is you need to log in on the physical machine you want to control and you add this computer. It will then install the software that you need either on Windows or on Mac to remote control your work computer from another device. Make sure that you talk to your supervisor if there is any particular security reason why you should not use GoToMyPC. If you have any questions about GoToMyPC, remote applications in general, please feel free to call Web Electronics or comment below.